Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to share a GarageBand project. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application right here on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the GarageBand application where you can find all the instruments you can play, you can find the audio recorder, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with saving our projects and exporting them. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up our mixing studio. So you can open up any of the instruments right here. It works the same. I'm going to open up the audio recorder right here, and it's going to open up this new menu that you're probably familiar with, where we can get started recording our files. We can go ahead and open up the mixing menu and so on. So guys, let's say how to share a GarageBand project. The first thing you want to do is go right here into the upper left corner and click on the mixing mode. That's going to open up this new mode where we can get started with making all our tracks. We can go ahead and take a look at our instrumental recordings and so on, and now we can get started with sharing our project. So to be able to share our project, all we have to do is just go right here into the upper left corner and click on this arrow pointing downwards. After clicking on the arrow, it's going to open up this new menu where you can see one of the options is called My Songs. So you want to click on My Songs. After clicking on My Songs, as you can see, it's going to save your project, and now we can find our project right here into the GarageBand Recents folder. And by long holding guys on the project that you want to share as a project, you can tap on it, long hold on it, and in the menu that appears you want to click on share. So after clicking on share guys, as you can see, now we have three options. We have the song option, the ringtone, and the project. So this is the project option that we can do. We can send this project, share it with anybody we want, and open it in another application if we need. So click on the project option right here and get started with sharing it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.